Serviceberry, Amelanchier species, is a deciduous shrub or small tree native to North America. It is prized for its attractive appearance and its edible fruit, which is similar to blueberries in taste. Here is a guide on how to grow and care for serviceberry. Location: Serviceberry grows best in full sun or partial shade, and in well-drained soils. It is hardy in USDA zones 3 to 9. Planting: Serviceberry can be planted in spring or fall. When planting, it is important to water the tree or shrub deeply after planting and regularly until it becomes established. It is also important to mulch around the base of the plant to help conserve moisture and regulate soil temperature. Watering: Serviceberry needs regular watering during the first growing season, especially during dry spells. After the first season, it is drought-tolerant and requires only occasional watering. Pruning: Serviceberry does not require much pruning, but you can prune it to shape it as desired. Pruning should be done immediately after the plant has finished flowering, as this will encourage healthy new growth. Fertilizing: Serviceberry does not require frequent fertilization, but a light application of all-purpose fertilizer in spring can help promote healthy growth and fruiting. Harvesting: Serviceberry fruit is ripe in late spring to early summer, and it can be harvested by gently twisting the berries from the bush or tree. Pests and diseases: Serviceberry is generally resistant to pests and diseases, but it can be susceptible to a few problems, including powdery mildew, fire blight, and aphids. To prevent these issues, it is important to provide adequate air circulation and to keep the plant healthy by watering and fertilizing it properly.